So here I have a little plate that I took out of the kiln just a couple days ago. It's 340S, so it has a bit of a speckle. And if you watch that opening, I said I was going to do something special with it, which is why it was just white. Well, I will do a tutorial another time, but what I'm going to do is put a decal on it. And I drew some designs here, and I had some pictures as well, my dear mummy and my sister's dog. And I had planned to put my sister's dog on this plate. So it's going to go right here. So what I want to do is cut it out a little bit here because I want it to sit. Oops, got to do her off a little bit. Right in there. Yeah, that looks good. So here's my water. I'm going to put little amigo in there. So this is an overglazed decal, and what I did was I got myself one of the printers to be able to make the sepia decals. Now, when I pulled it out of the kiln, I noticed there was a little blue dot. So I think that I will just take a piece of my peace sign, maybe that little flower there, to put on that little dot. And I don't mind that I'm cutting it up because I can use partial designs for other things. So let's stick that in there. All right. Let's see if Amigo's done. Yep, he's done. And we're going to put him right here. Just like that. And then get a nice soft cloth. Oops, I see what happened here. He bent over. There he is. There. So see, you can manipulate it a little bit, which is really nice. Okay. Okay, just gonna let him settle for a bit. And then see if I can fish out this little flower. It's pretty small. Here it is. Stick that right there over my little boo-boo. There. Okay, and then I'll take a soft cloth to that, and then I will fire that. Anyway, if you'd like to see all the equipment and the paper I use for that, then let me know. Peace out. Okay, so I pulled the pieces out of the kiln, and there we go. Here's the other one, and this one's on a colored glaze, which works well. If you can see that it's fired into the surface. So my next thing is to take something like this and apply underglazes, and then a glaze, and then my decals.